Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is June the 6th. We're out here in the Midtown Atlanta area. This is my client, Colleen. She actually reached out to me 2 weeks ago. She did a paid in-home consultation, and she literally thought her floors needed to be replaced. I told her, nope, all you need is a screen recoat with some color correction. We're also going to be doing her countertops as well. Shout out to Christian, my recommended moving guy. They came and moved the furniture this morning. I also went and did another consultation, which was about 10 minutes from here. He booked for the 16th, not next Monday, but the following Monday. Screen and recoat, UV cure. And I got another consultation after this, but I'm going to reschedule her for Monday because I want to be closer. I have a screen and recoat with UV cure to do Monday in Powder Springs, and she's in Villa Rica. She's a referral. Her neighbor referred me to her because I did her neighbor floors 2 years ago. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in, again, Atlanta, Midtown. Color correction right here, as you can see. Another little color correction over here, okay? Overall, guys, the floors are not too bad, to be honest. Also gonna be doing the granite countertops. All right. All the stairs, we're going to be doing these stairs. She also has a room downstairs I'm going to show you guys all through here. And the floors are just worn, you know, just need some good coating. Nice screen, rough these floors up pretty good. So we got here. We also got these stairs that we're going to be doing. Up here. All these stairs, and then these two bedrooms. Christian then moved the bedrooms, the furniture into the bathrooms. And then here. And then we also have one room downstairs and the stairs leading downstairs. So what I'm gonna do is start upstairs first and then work myself down.
ATL, stand up.
One day, same day. He ran it. Truman.
Who run it?
Truman.
Truman, Truman. Who run it? Truman, Truman. Who run it?
Truman.
Who run it? Wood, flow, screen, and recoat.
Truman.
Who got them flows looking brand new?
Truman.
Who got that UV cure? Same day move.
Truman.
Kids back, pets back, furniture too.
Truman.
Who run it?
Truman.
Truman. Who run it?
Truman.
Nobody do it like
Truman.
Truman. We run it.
Run it, run it, run it.
We run it.
Run it.
Truman. We run it.
Run it, run it, run it.
Yeah, pull up to the house, let the bubble glide. Flow look tired, but we bring them back to life. Screen and recoat, color correction right. UV cure flash, got them shining all night.
Customer smile and say, man, it's clean. Like a whole new flow. Know what I mean? One day service, that's the Truman way. Get it done today, no waiting day.
Who got the system?
Truman.
Who got the vision?
Truman.
Who got Atlanta talking?
Truman.
Who got the competition watching? Who run the wood, flow, screen, and recoat?
Truman.
Who got them flows looking brand new?
Truman.
Who got that UV cure? Same day move.
Truman.
Kids back, pets back, furniture too. Who run it? Truman. Who run it?
Nobody do it like Truman.
Truman. We run it.
Run it, run it, run it.
We run it.
Run it,
We run it.
run it, run it, run it.
Granite countertops, quartz looking bright, polish and seal got them shining right. From Buckhead down to the edge of town, when Truman pull up, we don't play around. One truck running, reputation strong. Hundreds of reviews, been doing it long. Hard work, faith, and a whole lot of grind. Leave every project better every time.
Truman.
UV curing,
Truman.
countertops,
Truman.
wood flow.
Truman.
We don't stop.
Truman.
Same day,
Truman.
all day.
Truman.
Who run it?
Truman.
Who run it? Truman, Truman, Truman. Who
Looks better,
Yeah.
smells better.
Like
Look at your countertops.
Yeah, no, it all looks great.
Yes. All right, guys. We are wrapping up. We're doing the UV. Got the 2 rooms upstairs done. I just notified Christian them that the furniture is ready to move back. You can see how I just glide across the floor. So when you UV cure that finish, the rag coat, it instantly cures that finish. Nice smooth finish. Let's go take a look upstairs with Miss Colleen. And you know what, guys? Miss Colleen, she hired me to do an in-home consultation, and she said, Courtney, I just want your opinion. Do these floors need to be replaced? And the worst area was right there by the back door you guys saw. I said, if this is your main concern, even the floors don't need to be replaced. You could just find these boards and replace those boards. But guys, screen and recoat, what do you think?
It's great.
It's great?
It's great.
Thank you. And Miss Colleen, thank you again for trusting me. You come out to do the consultation. You said that. You said I just want an honest opinion.
Yeah.
And yes, and she thought maybe the floors need to be replaced, and they didn't, guys. So we screened them, vacuumed them, cleaned them, disinfected them, coated them, UV cure. Furniture's coming back within the next few hours, all done in one day. And this is why people love this service, man, because only one day, and not even a full day, not even a full 24 hours. Usually about average 4-6 hours. The stairs, we got the stairs. Oh yeah, she just talked about how smooth it is. And that's what you can feel the difference. Because when we UV, we take our shoes off and you can just feel how smooth the floor is. All the stairs. Oh, beautiful. And then also we got her countertops done as well. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. She must got I'm like say she must got a vent, cause my feet were cold. I'm like, why my feet so cold? Yeah, she got a vent right there. All right, guys, see you in the next one.